Bonjour mes enfants, j'espère que vous allez bien. Aujourd'hui, on va faire une nouvelle leçon, les parties du corps. Quelle est la date d'aujourd'hui? What is today's date? Lundi, le 17 janvier 2022. Lundi, le 17 janvier 2022. So write today's date and then the title, les parties du corps, which means body parts. Then you write pour commencer, which is the starter activity. You write put the jumbled words in correct order. You have three questions there, three sentences, which you need to put in proper order. All right, it's all jumbled words. You need to put it in proper order to make a lovely sentence. I'm going to give you, say, 5 minutes time to complete this. So please pause the video now, complete it, and then unpause the video for you to check your answers with your purple pen. All right? Here is the answer. Il a deux têtes. He has two heads. We are talking about our monster, so our monster can have two heads, three legs, it could have anything. Il a six jambes. He has six legs. Il a 12 yeux. He has 12 eyes. If you wrote this right, mark yourself out of 3. If you wrote all of these right, then 3 on 3. Otherwise, you need to give it according to what you've scored. There you go. You have your learning objective. The learning objective is, can I use adjectives and describe my monster? So you're going to learn some describing words today and also some colors. Of course, color is a describing word and it's an adjective. Okay, color is an adjective, definitely. Student outcome, I can identify at least 10 colors. I can describe my monster using adjectives and make them agree with number and gender. I can give complex opinions about my monster using body parts and colors. All right, we have learned numbers earlier. We have definitely learned body parts before. Today we are going to be working on color adjectives. All right. Let's do a bit of retrieval practice. Just try to retrieve from our memory some of the body parts that we've learned in our earlier lesson. Une tête, 4 toits, 4 dents, 10 jambes, un œil, 2 mains, 10 pieds. All right, so it's 1 head, 4 fingers, 4 dents is 4 teeth, and you have 10 jambes, 10 legs, un œil, 1 eye, 2 mains, 2 hands, 10 pieds, 10 feet. Let's now go to colors. Les couleurs, which means colors. We're going to learn some colors now. Rouge, red, orange, orange, blanc, white, gris, grey, bleu, blue, violet, violet or purple, jaune, yellow, vert, green, marron, it's a darker shade of brown, rose, pink, noir is black. Now that we have learned some of the colors, we are going to be learning how to put the colors with the nouns, like the body parts. So suppose you want to say brown eyes, or you want to say white teeth, or you want to say black hair. How would you say that? So over here, there are some examples given. So if the word is masculine, if the body part is a masculine body part, then you need to not add E with it because it's masculine. But if it's a feminine one, you need to add E with the color. And if it's a plural one, then you need to add S with it. If it's feminine and a plural, then you add E for feminine and then you add S for plural. All right. So let's look at it. So le nez is nose, l'œil is eye, it's masculine, singular, so you don't have to add any E or S with it. But of course, orange, jaune, rose, rouge, all these words already end with E, so just have to leave it as it is. Then if it's feminine singular, then you need to add E. If you see the red ones, E is added. for blanc and violet. Blanc is white, violet is purple or violet. Blanc, when it becomes feminine, you need to add he, not alone e, just he. Violet, you need to add te with it if the body part is feminine and you're describing it. Orange, jaune, rouge, rose, only it has e in it, so you don't have to add anything. If you're talking about a body part which is plural, like eyes is plural, hands, if you say hands, then it's plural. If you say legs, it's plural. So then you need to, hair is of course plural. So you're going to add S everywhere after the color when you're describing these body parts. And you have some body parts which are feminine and plural, like les oreilles, which is ears, jambes, legs, teeth, main, hand. Okay, so if you want to say ears, legs, teeth, hands, then it's feminine plural. You need to add E for feminine and S for plural. All right, and after which we are going to be moving on to say how to describe again the monster. There's a picture of a monster here. It looks funny, I know. I really know that you can draw much better monster than what I've done here. Il a la tête. He has. Il a is he has. He has head. So la tête. Il a les cheveux. He has hair. Il a la bouche. He has mouth. Il a les oreilles. He has ears. Il a le nez. He has the nose. Il a les yeux. He has eyes. Okay. So Ela is he has. If you're describing and your monster is a feminine monster, a girl, then you need to use L-A. E-L-L-E-A. L-A. Il a la tête verte. He has green head. Of course, you can see in the picture he has green head. So il a la tête verte. And tête is feminine. It ends with E. So vert, the color vert, green, also ends with E over there. Il a les cheveux violets, again hair is plural, so S over there after the color. Il a la bouche rouge, red. Il a les oreilles bleues, he has blue ears. Il a le nez bleu, he has blue nose. Il a les yeux jaune, he has yellow eyes. Okay, again eyes is plural, S over there. Okay, this is how you describe your monster with the body part and colors. There you go. You've come to your last activity now. This is your activity. There are help words given nearby. You need to write the color of each body part of your monster. So today's activity is you're going to try to describe the body parts and its color of your monster, which means you should have actually colored your monster's body part. You could have just used different colors for hands, eyes, legs, teeth, whatever you wanted to. You could color your monster and then describe your monster. If your monster is a boy monster, then you write the sentences in blue on the top. If your monster is a girl monster, then you write the sentences at the bottom, which is in pink, those sentences. Because masculine, you need to use ila, 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 and for feminine, you need to use ella, 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 everywhere. All right. So you are going to be writing the body parts that I've mentioned here. You want to add any more body parts other than these, you could do so, but definitely write all of these body parts. Okay. So eyes, les yeux, eyes, les jambes, legs, les mains, hands, les bouches, mouth, les dents, teeth, les cheveux, hair. Okay, so the colors and gender, it's given right next to it for as like a help sheet over there. So you can use that as a help sheet and complete this activity for today. So in your notebook, you should have your date, the title of the lesson, and then you should have your starter activity, and then this one in your notebook. Okay. So when we meet in our class, I'm going to check your work then. All right. After you complete, good, you can self-assess yourself and see what went well in today's lesson. So you can just put www and write what went well, what you were able to do well, and even better if what you could do better next time. Okay, and just write self-assessed below. This should be done with purple pen. All right, www and EBI self-assessed all with purple pen. All right. And next week when you come to class, I'm going to check your work. Okay, whenever you come to class. All right. Okay, so au revoir. À bientôt.